stop mining iron like this. Instead, build this super easy iron farm that produces 1,300 iron per hour. Start by building a 7x5 rectangle and place 3 barrels, 3 beds, and 9 buttons down. Then surround everything with a 3-block high wall. Place glass on the other side and 3 villagers. Now place a boat with a zombie in it. Cover all up with smooth stone slabs and blocks in the middle. Now make a 8-block dirt path in every direction and connect them to prevent the golems from spawning outside the farm. Build a 8x3 platform and place some glass to connect it to the ground. Now dig out a 5x3 hole and place 3 double chests and hoppers connected to them. Surround everything with a stone brick wall so the iron golems will flow down the platform and don't fall off. Then place 4 signs, lava, and water like I do to finish the farm.